खाना नहीं बनाती, जैसे मंदिर में नहीं जाती, बहुत सारा काम कर लेती हूँ, झाड़ू पोछा।
महीने की वजह से मुझे स्कूल से भी निकलना पड़ा।
मुझे जब भी महीना आता है मुझे स्कूल से निकलना होता है, इसलिए मुझे स्कूल से हमेशा के लिए निकलना पड़ता है।
ये डेट आती है तो ऐसा होता है जैसे कि हम साफ नहीं है।
I come from a land where on one hand women are worshipped and referred to as Shakti, the ultimate power. From the time of hitting puberty, a young girl is judged for what she wears, where she goes, and who she meets. In an environment such as this, you can only imagine the myths and shame associated with something as natural as menstruation. As I began pursuing medicine and spent time in the obstetrics and gynecology departments of the hospital, I realized there was a large number of women suffering due to lack of use of hygienic product during their period. It is with this background that I chose menstruation, awareness and hygiene as my beauty with a purpose. As part of the program, I have been traveling extensively across various states of India. During the course of these travels, I have been shocked to learn what all is used as a substitute to the sanitary pad. Ash, dry wood chips, paper, rags, cloth. As part of the project, I have also ensured a steady supply and distribution of sanitary pads in a few low-income municipal schools. And for a more sustainable solution, I have been encouraging the women in numerous villages to become entrepreneurs and source the pads directly from the manufacturers to ensure availability in their specific communities. Hoping to continue spreading awareness in the remotest corners of India, as my mission is to empower girls and build their confidence. Menstruation is our strength and shouldn't limit us in any way. All girls must be given equal opportunities. And who knows, the next Miss World may come from one of them.